Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making easy shrimp stir fry. Alright, I'm starting out in my multi-pot I have preheated. And I'm going to add some sesame seed oil in here. I'm going to go for probably about a tablespoon. If you never use sesame seed oil, it gives your stir fry a really good, authentic stir fry taste. And I'm turning my temperature down a little bit because my pan is hot. I have roughly about a pound and a half of frozen shrimp here. I ran under some cool water. Just started thawing. Then this here is deveined with the tails off and the shells off. This is large shrimp. I'm going to get this in here and get this. I have my heat set on medium low. I'm going to get this going in here for a few minutes till it cooks through. And I'm going to add in some frozen peas. I'm going to add in about a cup. Now, if you want to get the Asian vegetables that are already packaged, the mixed vegetables, they would work great with this too. I'm going to turn my heat up to about medium. And I'm going to allow this to fry, stirring it until the shrimp cooks through and the peas thaw. Okay, now that my shrimp is cooked through and my peas are thawed, and this took about 5 minutes, I turned my heat down on low. I'm going to add in some teriyaki sauce. I'm going to go for about a half a cup. Give that a stir. Then I'm going to add in some hoisin sauce. Now what hoisin sauce is, it's like a sugary, tastes like a, sort of like a molasses based sauce. It's sweet but it's really delicious. I'm going to go for about a half a cup of that. And I'm going to turn my heat up just a little bit. And this is smelling good, guys. You just want to stir to mix your sauce in with your shrimp and peas. Alright, now I have some ramen noodles here that I boiled up. This is 6 blocks. You know, little instant ones you get when you have the seasoning packet. Just throw the packet away or put the packet away. And cook up your noodles. And I'm going to go ahead and blend this all together. Get my sauce mixed throughout the noodles. This is smelling really good, guys. I'm going to turn my heat off now. Now I have some green onion I diced up. That's going to go in. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up the plate and see what we got. I went ahead and put a little more of that hoisin sauce on top, and I put some sesame seeds on it for garnish. Let me get in here and try a piece of this shrimp. Shrimp is cooked through just right. I mean, cooked shrimp, you got to be careful because if you overcook it, it gets rubbery. That's cooked good. Try some of this ramen noodles. Really good. You can taste the sesame seed oil, you can taste the teriyaki sauce and the hoisin sauce in there. You get that nice texture from the peas and the green onion, and then you get that delicious shrimp. Let's take one more try, guys. That's really delicious, and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Easy shrimp stir fry. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.